In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up a website on Hostinger step by step. Backing up your website is one of the most important things you can do as a website owner. If something goes wrong, like a plugin error, accidental deletion, malware, or even a failed update, having a backup means you can restore your site quickly without losing your content. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, and you can download a full backup of your website directly from your dashboard in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to safely back up your website files or database. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. Log into your Hostinger account using your email and password. Once you successfully log in, you'll land on the Hostinger H panel, which is the main dashboard where you manage all of your hosting services and websites. From this dashboard, look for the section labeled Websites. Click on Websites to see a list of all the websites connected to your Hostinger account. Find the website you want to back up, and then click on Dashboard next to that website. This will open the management area specifically for that site. Once you're inside the website dashboard, look through the menu options until you find the Files section. Under Files, click on Backups. The Backups section is where Hostinger stores automatic backups and also allows you to download copies of your website data. Inside the Backups page, you will usually see a few different backup options. Typically, you can download backups for your website files or your database. Website files include your themes, plugins, images, and core site files. The database contains your posts, pages, user data, and most of the dynamic content of your site. Choose the type of backup you want. If you want a full copy of your website content, like images, themes, and plugins, select the Files backup option. If you want a copy of your website's data, such as posts and settings, select the Database backup. After choosing the backup type, look for the Download Backup button. Click Download Backup, and Hostinger will begin preparing your backup file. Depending on the size of your website, this process may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the backup is ready, the file will download to your computer. Make sure you store this backup in a safe place. Many website owners like to keep backups on their computer, an external drive, or a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Keeping multiple copies ensures that your website data is always protected. It's also a good idea to download backups regularly, especially before making major changes to your website, such as installing new plugins, updating themes, or modifying important settings. That way, if anything breaks, you can restore your site quickly without stress. And that's it. That's how to back up a website on Hostinger step by step. As you can see, the process is quick and beginner-friendly, and it only takes a few minutes to create a secure backup of your site. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials, hosting guides, and simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.